Hi, I'm Blaine with www.weightswalk.com. You know, seen the videos, day 1, day 2, day 3, all days, under less than 10 minutes. Carry up to 200 pounds for 4 blocks, and you're done. I got 4-inch triceps, 3-inch lats. You see my chest. See those pictures and videos, watch those. It's available now for you to, are on sale. We're also consumer advocate about Stanley products. They got some great plastic quality, they don't crack, mostly waterproof containers. There's a whole line of them. One as big as a hope chest. There it is right here. See there? We put it on wheels, so now it's a covered wagon. They got 2 wheels on them. We put it on 4 wheels. We got 2 wheels. It's got a big handle here. It meets specs to get on the bus, the plane, and the train. 62 inches or something. It meets specifications. And here's your Pro Mobile. I'm going to show you how you can put these on top of the other one. On top of that, or you can have 2 of them, put one on top of the other. This is the whole line. This is 15 gallon. It's like 55 gallon. They have the Fat Max, waterproof, like a toolbox. But it's duffel bag. No matter, they're all containers. They're all suitcases. So no matter what you call them, suitcase, container, toolbox, they all just contain things. And they have the Fat Max on wheels. And I'm going to show you how you can, several different ways. You can put it on top, but I'm going to show you how you can put it on the back. I hope you can see this from here. Okay, now down below here is the Pro Mobile. Take a second. Let's get there. I usually put one of these in front. Sideways. Oh, I forgot my weights in the back. Because this part is not as long as the Pro Mobile. It sticks out of the front. See how you can do that on the front. It's overhanging. All you actually need to do is stack it in the back first of all. Instead of stacking in the front, stack it in the back. Now put the Fat Max in the back, stack it right anywhere you want. There you go. Now I take an adjustable tie down. Around the whole thing. Then tighten that up tight. cart. Tighten it up tight. I always like to have these the front more in the back so you can put more stuff on top of it. There you go. I usually put 2 on. Takes you a minute. I put these in. Now you can use any length. 1 too long and just take it, thread it through the top of it, pull it tight where you want it to be for the length, because you don't want too much. You can't put too much on the spindle of these things. It's like a 16-footer. Just pull it tight. Now, pretty tight. Now you start ratcheting it. And there you go. Pretty simple, huh? And so I'm good to go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Goes down the road. Push with 1 finger a lot. A lot of weight when you gotta go. Traveling. And you can put a flat max. Here's the other one. You don't have to stack them this way. You want to make one at a time. This is the other container they have, the Fat Max. Quality plastic, it doesn't rip and tear. It's got little trays in there in the bottom. Just like your standard luggage. And you get down the road like this, like your standard luggage. They pull like that. You might not all want to have trailers like this, or put it on 4 wheels. Now it's a covered wagon, and that's just an option you have now in your luggage. You know, it's always going to be a container that's quality stuff that doesn't break and tear. And we got some other videos on it. I usually show you how to maintain them, you know, and you use one of the big one, the hope chest, for a kiddie pool. Backyard, you can you got the tub with you, the hope chest, the tub. There it is, and the 15-gallon. I like the flatbeds, the Stanley flatbeds, because you can stack more on top of them. You go 2 high, 3 high. I got other videos where you go double wide with them. If you want, if you don't have to, you can go to the 50-gallon. Get in, meet the bus loads. Meets buses. We're here in Washington, D.C. There's the Russell Senate building over there. There's the Senate Park. Capitol's over there. See the Capitol in the background there? There we are. Capitol, your money, your time that you got to go shopping. Wheels fall off, sewing rips. You put your food in these. They're pretty much waterproof, and they're quality stuff. Finally, at last, something the world needs. An option of sewing that rips and tears. When they do get them dirty, you can wash them out with a hose and water, or just a rag and water. Stanley. See the page at www.waitwalk.com. WAGON.com. That's WEIGHT. Walk, WALK.com. There's a page down there, Stanley. There's a page on Gorilla Tape. And most of it's about weight walking. Way to get your body in shape faster, easier. Back when I used to live a long time, they walked and carried weight before the engine, before the vehicle. So there you go, Stanley products. Quality, durable, hard, plastic containers, suitcases. There you go.